Most people spend thousands on their car, but completely ignore the small things that make every single drive frustrating. The blind spots that make lane changes nerve-wracking. The check engine light that sends you straight to an overpriced mechanic. The backseat chaos every time you've got passengers. Today, I'm fixing all of that. 15 car gadgets, every single one picked for one reason. It actually solves something real. A few of these are going to genuinely surprise you, especially the ones toward the end. Links are in the description for everything. Let's get into it. Your car feels clean until you actually look at the seats up close. The dirt hiding inside your fabric, deep in the carpet fibers, packed into every tight corner. A regular vacuum doesn't even touch that. This air cleaning gun uses a vortex blast to pull grime out from places you didn't even know were dirty. Switch to wet mode for stains, dry mode to finish it off. No extra tools, no complicated setup. Just point it at the mess and watch what comes out. This isn't cleaning. This is deep cleaning on a completely different level. If you've got passengers in the back seat, you already know the chaos. Drinks with nowhere to go, phones sliding around, everyone fighting for armrest space. This center console fixes all of it at once. Cup holders, phone holder, large storage box, and a comfortable armrest. All in one clean unit that sits right between your back seats. No more stuff rolling around every time you take a turn. Your back seat goes from chaotic to organized in about 5 minutes. You get in the car, you plug your phone in every single time. In 2026, that should not still be happening. This tiny adapter plugs into your car once, and from that point forward, CarPlay connects automatically the moment you start the car. Maps load, music starts, calls work. No cable, no fumbling around, no thinking about it. Clean setup, instant connection, zero effort. Once you go wireless, you will never go back to a cable again. Here's something most people don't realize. Direct sunlight doesn't just show dirt, it shows every single swirl mark, every micro scratch, every imperfection on your paint. And most people just live with it. This wax spray fixes that in minutes. Spray on, wipe off, and your car instantly has a mirror gloss finish. No hose, no bucket, no complicated process. It bonds to the surface, leaves a ceramic layer that repels water, dust, and grime, and the protection lasts for months. Rain hits, and it just slides right off. Showroom look without the showroom work. And if you think that one was good, number 5 is the kind of upgrade most drivers don't even consider until something goes wrong. And by then, it's already too late. A broken side mirror isn't just annoying, it's genuinely dangerous. Every lane change becomes a guess. This replacement mirror is built specifically for CRVs, and it plugs right in like factory. Power adjust, heated glass for foggy mornings, built-in turn signal, and blind spot detection watching your side at all times. No sketchy aftermarket feel, no dealership pricing, clean swap, factory quality, and your safety is fully back. If your mirror is gone, this is exactly what you need. Here's a situation nobody wants to be in. Someone hits your car and immediately says it wasn't their fault, and you have no proof. This 2-in-1 dash cam makes sure that never happens to you. It doubles as your phone mount while recording everything in 1080p wide angle, day and night. Hit a bump or get into an accident, and the G sensor instantly locks the footage so it can't be overwritten. Open the app and download your evidence in seconds. No messy installation, no extra gadgets cluttering your dash. Just drive and stay protected every single time. If your garage is tight, and most of them are, you know that feeling of slowly pulling in and genuinely not knowing if you're about to hit the back wall. It's a small moment of stress that happens literally every single day. This parking sensor eliminates it completely. It tracks your car as you pull in and gives you a clear signal. Green means you're good, yellow means ease up, red means stop right there. Set your perfect stopping distance once, and it nails it every single time after that. No dents, no guessing, no stress. Installs in minutes and runs on batteries or USB. Most seat covers exist for one reason, to protect your seats. These do that too, but they also do something no regular seat cover does. Built-in RGB LEDs that sync with your music while you drive. Leather finish, fully waterproof, and at night, your entire interior pulses with color to the beat. It sounds over the top until you're actually driving with it on. Then it just feels like your car has a completely different personality after dark. Protection and vibe in one upgrade. Stick around because number 9 is the one that makes every long drive feel completely different. And if you've got kids or passengers, this one's going to hit different. Long road trips have one universal problem. Passengers get bored. Kids ask, "Are we there yet?" every 10 minutes. Adults stare at their phones. This portable cinema setup straps right behind your seat and turns your back seat into a full movie theater. Big, immersive screen, crisp visuals, full audio. Perfect for road trips, camping, or even just waiting in a parking lot. Passengers go quiet, everyone's entertained, and the drive feels half as long. This isn't just a gadget, it's the thing that makes long drives actually enjoyable. Your check engine light just came on. You take it to the mechanic, and before they've even looked at it properly, they're already quoting you hundreds of dollars. This scanner stops that from ever being a problem again. Plug it in and it tells you exactly what's wrong. In plain English, not confusing codes. Test parts, reset systems, unlock hidden features, all wirelessly from your phone. It's like having a professional mechanic in your glove box without paying one every single time something lights up. If you drive anything modern, this is not optional anymore. Someone clips your car in a parking lot and drives away. No note, nothing. With a regular dash cam, you might get blurry footage that proves absolutely nothing. This one runs dual lenses in 4K, a wide-angle lens covering the full road and a telephoto lens that zooms in on license plates far ahead with crystal-clear detail. Night vision that actually works. Parking mode that keeps recording and alerts you when something happens while you're away. Rotating cameras, massive storage, even SSD support. This isn't just a dash cam, this is evidence on demand every single time. This one takes the diagnostic scanner a step further. AI reads every single system in your car, engine, ABS, airbags, transmission, and explains exactly what's going on in plain conversational English. Reset warning lights, run full diagnostics, test individual components, all from your phone with zero mechanical knowledge required. No guessing, no overpriced shop visits for simple issues. It's basically a car doctor that lives permanently in your glove box and never charges you for a visit. Here's a stat most people don't think about. Taking your eyes off the road for just 2 seconds at highway speed means you've traveled the length of a football field completely blind. This GPS heads-up display projects your speed, direction, and alerts directly onto your windshield, so your eyes never have to leave the road. Speeding? It warns you instantly. Long drive? It reminds you to take a break. Auto brightness adjusts perfectly for day and night. Your speed is always visible, always in your line of sight, and you never have to look down again. 2 more left, and honestly, number 15 might be the single biggest upgrade on this entire list. Don't skip it. Here's the thing about blind spots. You don't know something's there until it's almost too late. These small adhesive mirrors stick right onto your existing side mirrors in seconds with no tools at all. Instantly, you get a wide-angle view of everything hiding in the space beside you. Adjust them 360 degrees to find your perfect angle. Rain, fog, doesn't matter, still crystal clear. Lane changes feel safe. Parallel parking gets easier. It's one of the smallest upgrades on this list, and honestly, one of the most important ones for daily driving. If your car still has that old basic factory screen, or worse, no screen at all, this is the upgrade that changes everything. Mount this 9-inch wireless CarPlay display and your car instantly has navigation, calls, music, and full smartphone integration on a clean, modern screen. Built-in 4K dashcam and backup camera included for safety. Gesture control, auto brightness, zero distraction while driving. It doesn't matter how old your car is. With this mounted, it feels brand new from the inside. All right, 15 car gadgets, every single one worth your time. Whether you're upgrading for safety, comfort, or just to make your ride feel smarter, there's something on this list for you. Everything's linked in the description, so go check out whatever caught your eye. And if this is your kind of content, subscribe to toolwiserz. We've got a lot more coming. I'll catch you in the next one.